more and more people from both the villages began to frequent the cross to pray and make vows. As soon as their prayers were heard, they would organize a litany there in thanksgiving to God. After the litany, they would distribute fried cashew nuts, a custom that continued to live till around 25 years ago. Some people even give testimonies of the cures in their lives. Soon, this place became a shrine, resulting in more people worshipping the cross. Approximately 15 years ago, a small chapel was built to enclose the cross in the same place, as it was the midpoint between both the villages. With its reconstruction, modifications were made to preserve the three prints, that is, the toe, knee, and the foot, on the floor. This was carried out by covering each print with a glass enclosure and using granite with donations from the people to cover the rest of the floor. A couple of years back, villagers of both the villages have formed a committee for Deva Khuris, which is open to all from these villages. Every year, 5 members of this committee are selected in rotation to host the celebration of the feast, which is now held on the second Saturday of the month of May. A huge pandal is erected to accommodate the large crowd, with chairs and a good sound system. People from all over the state, irrespective of their faith, participate in the Mass. After the Mass, snacks and pulao, sponsored by the 5 members, are distributed to the faithful. Many people who have been granted their requests openly give their testimony and also generously give donations towards the chapel fund.